In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged in. Now navigate to profile page. Scrolling down, you're going to find this section of highlights. Now tap on any highlight to open it. Now click on three dots given at the top right. Here you're going to find different option. Select the option Edit Highlight. Now you will be directed to this page. From here you are able to change the highlight name, likewise remove or add more highlights, but you are unable to change the audience set for it. By default, highlights are set to public and there isn't direct option to change the audience settings. Since Facebook highlights are created from your stories and inherit the same privacy settings, you'll need to adjust your story audience instead. For that, head back, click on three bars, go to Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. Now navigate to the option Stories, click on that. Here you're gonna find the option Who can see your stories, click on that. Now from the available options, set it to Only Me. As soon as you make this change, your Facebook stories and story highlights will be hidden from everyone else, making them visible only to you. And that's it. By changing your story audience to Only Me, you can keep your Facebook story highlights private and prevent other people from viewing them. So if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.